There are a lot of replica ghost traps out there to purchase, but few put in as much detail as this. Made by Christopher Sutton, this ghost trap is truly remarkable in the amount of detail, and there is also a little bit of movement to it, which is always a plus. As for example, the pedal here, you can push it down, so you can have it on the floor and step on it, which is awesome. Unfortunately, it doesn't open up this, but this still opens up. There's a little mechanism at the back. If you just pull on it, there you go, it's open. And you just pull it back, slot these down, and it's connected. This is handmade, and the detail on it is amazing. The weight of this ghost trap is also brilliant. It's not light, so you feel like you're holding something cheap, but it's not overly heavy. It does come on wheels, which you can roll it across the floor. So you can almost reenact a scene from Ghostbusters. Just having this replica of the ghost trap on my table after seeing it in the film countless times is amazing. The detail and quality that has gone into this is breathtaking. It really does look like I have the real thing. It's a must have for any Ghostbuster fan.